Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to hide your Instagram followers and following list. Let's get started. By default, anyone can see your followers and the accounts you are following on Instagram. The only way to hide this is by switching your account to private. First, open the Instagram app and go to your profile by tapping the icon in the bottom right corner. Then tap the three lines in the top right corner to open the menu. Scroll down and look for Account Type and Tools. Here, you can check your current account type. If you see an option to switch to a professional account, that means you are currently using a personal account. Now go back to the main settings menu and tap on Privacy. On this page, you will see the Private Account option. Turn it on and confirm your choice. Once your account is set to private, only your approved followers will be able to see your full followers and following list. People who don't follow you will only see the number of followers and following, not the detailed list. And that's it, that's how you can hide your Instagram followers and following list. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe and give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching.